guys, my name is Brenda and today I'm going to prepare spaghetti with tuna. This video is for our English class, and so let's cook. The ingredients are a onion, a tomato, a tuna from the one supermarket, spaghetti from brand Doria because I think that Doria is better. Okay, and rice, salt, and oil. That's it. Okay, when the weather is hot, I'm going to put the spaghetti on the recipe. Okay, I'm going to cook the onion. Then I put here the onion in this machine. Oh, okay. Okay, in this bowl I'm put the oil and to heat the oil and put the onion here. Now I'm going to put the tomato, but first I wash I wash the tomato. Here. For this, I'm going to use this sashimi, gisama, with salt. Okay, now this pasta I'm going to put into hot water for 20 minutes. I'm going to mix the tomato with onion. I forgot to add salt to the pasta. It's very important. Now I'm going to add tuna into the tomato with, how can I say giso? Okay, giso. Giso is stew, okay? The stew. Now I'm going to put this tuna here in the stew. And also I add ketchup with mayonnaise here into the stew. Why? I think that is darle sabor. I think that. And I mix this. Delicious for me, no? This right, I'm going to cook for make a fritas de maduro.
Wow.
Now I'm going to pour the ideal oil in this pot. How do you know when the pasta is ready? Okay, it's meaning that the pasta, I don't know, I think that it's not ready. Está dura todavía. Into the hot oil with mucho cuidado. I'm going to make the juice. You ask me, Brenda, how you make the juice? Without lemons, without watermelon, without all the fruits, okay? I use this because it's easier to make the juice. So, what do you want? What do you want? Can you say maracupiña? Passion fruit? Yes? Passion fruit? I don't remember. And salpicon, watermelon, and frutos rojos, red fruits, and tamarindo. I don't remember how to say tamarindo. Lulo, or panela with lemon. What do you want? What do you want? Quickly, quickly. Here, okay. I put the, what can I say? Ice. The ice into the jar. Jar? Yes, jar. Okay. With the water. Oi. Yes. Sometimes I add a lemon, but in my house I don't have lemon. You going to taste this juice, okay?
Water.
Water. Okay, more this?
No.
No? More water. Sorry. Okay. Sorry. Yeah.
Nice.
Thank you. So I'm going to drain the water pasta into this purple colander. Very carefully with the hot water. Oh my god, this is good. Yeah. Uh-oh. I'm going to pour this pasta into the stew. Oh my god. This is my lunch. Spaghetti with rice and vanilla juice. I'm going to taste. Delicioso.